Mom's PE.
And I'm Moms Casey. And welcome to the Three Moms Healers podcast.
Together we'll chat about health,
Food, and all the fun stuff we're loving right now.
So grab your favorite drink
and join the conversation. Kiss, how are we?
Okay naman.
Hello, okay naman.
Okay naman. Okay pa yung mga mask natin.
Not
Happy
you na.
Palm Sunday. Okay, so in this episode, we'll explore what kind of love means for us today. Kasi di ba today, you get reminded kung paano si Jesus tinanggap niya yung nag-go pa rin siya sa situation even though he knows that what's coming, na he'll go into suffering, he'll go into so much pains and much worse death. So that's called selfless love, right? So in today's world, how do we pursue selfless love? Think that is shown today, a love that gives without expectation, that serves without recognition, and the walks like what Jesus did, willingly go through the discomfort for the good of others. So yes, slide sharing lang, paano yung mga nakita natin, na-experience natin, na sabi natin, oh, that's really selfless love. Okay, I'll start. Makakatawa ka. No. Okay, I'll start. Sige. Ako, very light. Sa social media, di ba, makikita natin yung in the past, nakikita natin yung dinodocument nila, or yung mom na parang kakainin na lang nila, isusubo na lang, pero binibigay pa sa mga anak. I think that's an example of selfless love.
Marirelate ko din siguro, we do sacrifices as well, right? So for example, I know for my 2 kids, may mga situations na minsan na nagugulat din ako sa sarili ko na, kaya ko palang gawin yun. Alam mo yun, like for example, you staying up late as well, or breastfeeding. I'm already breastfeeding for 2 years. And I know most moms, Momski and Momski C, you can relate. Some of them, sometimes takes 5 years. Ganun katagal. Syempre, kapalit nun, lack of sleep, madalas napapabayaan mo din yung sarili mo kasi you tend to give more. Pagka nag-breastfeed ka, syempre, pagod ka, kailangan mo kumain ng healthy, kailangan mong isipin kung ano pang kailangan ni baby, ganyan. So, feeling ko, yun yung mga nakikita kong selfless love, and then, na-relate ko din, na nafe-feel ko din, as a mommy.
Yung pagka i-recall natin itong yung inspiration ng topic natin. It's from Jesus sacrificing his life to forgive the sins para ma-forgive yung sins ng sangkatauhan. It's a very deep and meaningful kind of love na hindi natin basta-basta yan napupulot. So, I also think that sometimes it's rare to kind of love. Actually, it's really rare to find that kind of love. And ang pinaka-instant na naisip ko aside from God's love to us is parents na, and us being parents din. Yun ang first thing na magka-come into mind. Kasi yun talaga yung natural na lalabas na sa pagiging parent mo. And I think yun din yung minimimik yung kind of love na we got from Jesus, para sa natin siyang magulang na ganong klaseng love na willing to sacrifice, walang boundaries, walang no strings attached, and at the same time walang condition.
episode today. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Stay cool, stay kind, and we'll catch you next time.
And remember, it's all just our opinion. No bashing, just hashing.
Huwag kalimutang i-follow, mag-subscribe for more upcoming episodes at i-share ito sa kapwa momskis na kailangan ng good vibes.
You can also find the Three Musketeers on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Spotify.